Hello everyone, my name is Shudish Patel. Today I am discuss about the structure programs, designs and their objectives, rules in a structures programming, in concept, in cohesion, in coupling, advantage and disadvantage of structure program design. Structure program design. Structure design is a conceptual of a program into a several well organized element of a solution. Structure design is a mostly based on a divide and conquer strategy where a problem is a broken into a several small problems and each small problem is an individual solve until the whole problem is a solve. Objectives to get a program quickly and free from the error. The quality of readability and understandability should be present in a programs. Rules of the structure programming. Structures rule 1 code block. Structures rule 2 sequence. A sequence of a block is correct if the exit condition of the each block match the entry condition of the following block. Structures rule 3 alternation if then else if a frequency called alternation. Structures rule 1 iteration while loop. It is organized as the at right time. It also has one entry point and one exit point. The entry point has a conditional that must be satisfied and the exit point has a requirement that will be fulfilled. There is a no jump into from the external point of the code. Structures rule 5 nested structures. In a flowcharting condition, any code of the block can be spread into any of the structures. Concept. Functional decomposition is a popular structures program design methodology. The control structure. Control structure are just a way to specify flow of a control in a program. Any algorithm of the program can be more clear and understood if they use self-contained module called as a logic control structures. It basically analyzes and choosing in which direction a program flow based on a certain parameters or conditions. There are three basics types of logic: sequential logic, selection logic and iteration logic. Sequential logic, as the name suggests, follow as a serial and sequential flow in which the flow depend on the serial series of the instruction given of the computer. Selection logic are simply involve a number of conditions of a parameter which decide one out server return modules. The structure which are used, they are a type of the logic and known as a conditional structures. Iteration logics are employ a loop which involve a repeat statement followed by the module known as a body of the loop. Design a control structure. The first step to decomposing a program into a design it high level control structures. Affiliation transform in afferent process in data structures. Afferents transform in afferent process. One approach to design a control structure is divided the functions or sub-process into the groups in figure. The afferent process is gather and prepare the input data. The afferent process structures and transmit output data. In the middle, the transform process convert into the input data to output forms. Identified the afferent transform and afferent process suggest a basic input process output control structure. In module designing, a modular designing is an approach for a product designing which is a used to product a complete product by integrating or combining a smaller part that are independent of the each other. Cohesion in couplings. Cohesion. Cohesion is a measure of a module completeness. Every statement in the module should be related to the same function and all the functions logic should be in a same module. When a module become a large enough to decompose in each submodule should be perform a cohesive subfunctions. In coupling, coupling is in the measure of the independence of the component. It defines the degree of dependency of each module of the system development on the other. In practice, this is means a stronger the coupling between the module in a system, the more difficult is it is implemented and maintain the system. Type of the coupling: common coupling, content coupling, data coupling, control coupling, system coupling, and external. Input and output design. Input in an information system, input in the raw data that are processed to produce output. During the input design, the developer must be consider the input device such as a PC, OMR sheet, etc. Output, the designing of the output is the most important task of any system. During the output design, developer identify the type of the output needed and consider the necessary output control and prototype of the report layout. Advantage of a structured programming. It is a user friendly and easy to understand, similar to a English vocabulary of word and symbols. It is easier to learn. They require the less time to write. They are easier to maintain. A disadvantage of the structured programming. A high-level language has to be translated into the machine language in by translator, and thus a price in a computer time is paid. The object code generated by a translator might be inefficient compared to an equivalent assembly language program. Thank you.